Today we are making a falafel and a chicken sandwich, both paired with some crunchy sweet potato chips. From humble to exotic, a sandwich is a versatile all-in-one meal. They're easy to customize and come together relatively quick. We like it for its convenience, but the healthy options makes this a winner.
A falafel sandwich is a blend of beautiful flavor that comes together. To begin with, we are going to squeeze some lemon juice in advance and set aside. To make the avocado spread, separate the flesh from the avocado. In an avocado, I am using a teaspoon of lemon juice, salt to taste, 2 small cloves of garlic minced, give it a quick mix, and lastly add finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Bring it together and set aside. To make lemon tahini dressing, we will need a tablespoon of tahini. I'll leave the link for the homemade tahini in the description. Add to it a teaspoon of lemon juice and give it a good whisk. The tahini will thicken before it starts to smoothen out. Gradually add 2 to 3 teaspoons of iced water and you'll have a smooth lemon tahini dressing. Once it reaches the desired consistency, set it aside. To make falafel, we will begin by cleaning 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Quarter an onion and separate the layers. The prep for hummus and falafel is the same. We will soak the chickpea overnight, cook in the cooker for 3 whistles or boil it until done the next day. Peel the skin and it's ready to go. In a food processor or a mixer, add 1.5 cup of chickpea, garlic, coriander and cumin powder, ground pepper, salt, fresh coriander, 1 or half a green chili depending on the level of spice you prefer, and whole wheat flour. And set it to blend. And don't forget to add the onions and baking powder. Blend well. Remove the mixture in a bowl and simultaneously set a pan on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. While that's heating up, we will shape the falafel, making them about a centimeter thick. Just before adding it to the pan, coat it in sesame seeds. Fry the falafel until crispy and brown on the bottom. This should take about 3 minutes, then flip and repeat the process on the other side. Once the brown crust extends all the way around, take it off the heat and set aside. To assemble the sandwich, we will need bread of your choice, avocado, falafel, mozzarella cheese, lemon tahini, and pickled vegetables. You'll find the recipe for pickled vegetables in the description below. Slice the bread in half. Layer it with some avocado. Pickled vegetables. Falafels. Mozzarella cheese, and lemon tahini. Set a pan on medium heat, spray or apply some olive oil on the pan, set the sandwich to toast, cover and cook for a minute or two to melt the cheese. Once the cheese has melted, flip and toast the sandwich on the other side. Once done, take it off the heat and your falafel sandwich is ready to serve. To make a chicken sandwich, we will thinly slice a chicken breast. Marinate in half a tablespoon of olive oil, salt. Mix well and set aside. While the chicken marinates, we will prepare our vegetables. We will need some bell peppers and an onion. Clean and slice the peppers lengthwise. Thinly slice the onion lengthwise and separate them. Set a pan on medium heat. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and cook the onions until lightly brown. Add the peppers and continue to cook until it reaches your preferred crunch. But I like to go a step ahead and caramelize them. Add salt, Worcestershire sauce, and white vinegar or any flavored vinegar. I am using white vinegar flavored with mandarin. Give it a quick mix, take it off the heat and set it aside. To make the chicken, we will mix together whole wheat flour, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Set a pan on medium heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Coat the chicken in whole wheat blend and set it on the pan. This will take about 6 minutes to cook. Flip it halfway through when lightly brown. Once done, take it off the heat and set aside. To assemble the sandwich, we will need whole wheat bread of your choice, caramelized vegetables, chicken, some greens, mozzarella cheese, light mayonnaise, and American mustard. Apply light mayo and American mustard on the bread. Layer it with greens, the caramelized veggies, chicken, and top it with mozzarella. Set a pan on medium heat, spray or apply some olive oil on the pan, set the sandwich to toast, cover and cook for a minute or two to melt the cheese. Once the cheese has melted, flip and toast the sandwich on the other side. Once done, Take it off the heat and your chicken sandwich is ready to serve. Sweet potato chips will add the perfect amount of crunch to any meal. Preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. Thinly slice sweet potato using a knife or a mandolin slicer. Once done, add olive oil, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Bring it together. Add it to the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes and flip halfway through. Your sweet potato chips are ready to serve. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It always means a lot when you do. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.